Before the factory, there's a perfect morning harvest.
Freshness starts on the vine.
Only ripe, firm fruit earns a spot on the line.
Speed matters, so does gentle handling.
The perfect tomato shows in the details.
When volume is huge, machines keep pace. This is a harvest built for industrial precision.
Sorting begins before the truck even arrives. Clean input means safer output. Traceability is built in, minute by minute. This code follows the tomatoes all the way to the bottle. Packing is an engineering problem. Locked, stable, ready for transport. Every bump can bruise, so moves are controlled.
Stability protects flavor.
Heat is the enemy of freshness.
One seal, one story, one trace.
From farm to factory, freshness in motion.
Cold chain keeps tomatoes alive.
The destination is a $1 million processing line.
Traceability continues at the door.
Docking is precision, like surgery for logistics.
Now the tomatoes meet the factory.
Sweetness and acidity set the recipe direction. From here, everything becomes stainless and fast. The line begins. No turning back.
Clean entry for clean juice and clean sauce.
The first mission inside the factory. Clean without crushing. Every brush stroke protects clarity and taste. Rinse, then reset, ready for inspection. Food safety begins long before the bottle cap. Drying prevents dilution and keeps control precise. Now the factory's eyes decide.
Defects tell a story: weather, transport, harvest timing.
Consistency is built one tomato at a time.
Stable feed equals stable flavor. This is the moment tomatoes become a process. A controlled flow prevents oxidation. Temperature is the hidden hand behind texture. We crush fast to protect color and freshness.
One tomato base, two different destinies.
Here the stream splits without breaking the rhythm. Cold break keeps a fresher juice character. Texture turns silky, no rough bits.
Nothing leaks, nothing contaminates.
We remove air to protect flavor and shelf life.
Filtration is where clarity becomes a promise.
Seasoning is calibrated, not guessed.
Uniform taste, uniform color.
Numbers confirm what the nose already knows.
Pasteurization makes it safe without burning the taste.
Cool fast, lock freshness.
A clean bottle is half the product.
We don't fill flaws.
Precision filling. Every bottle identical.
Seal is safety. A tomato label is identity and traceability. Every tomato bottle is tested before it ships.
Small print, big tomato responsibility.
This wrap protects the tomato taste.
Packaging keeps tomato bottles safe in transit.
Finished tomato juice rests under control.
Weight accuracy protects tomato trust.
The tomato juice line is warehouse ready.
Finished tomato juice rests under control.
Now the tomato sauce line takes over.
Hot break locks tomato sauce texture.
Smooth tomato sauce starts here.
We thicken tomato flavor without burning it.
Tomato thickness is measured, not guessed. Seasoning builds tomato identity.
Oil carries tomato aroma to every bite.
We develop sweetness that supports tomato depth. This is the heart of tomato pasta sauce.
Chunky tomato texture, still controlled.
If tomato specs don't match, it stops. Safety runs alongside tomato speed.
Resting helps tomato flavor settle. Sterile packaging protects tomato sauce. Hot fill locks tomato stability. Less oxygen, longer tomato life. Seal the tomato sauce like a vault.
Cool tomato sauce fast. Keep it clean.
A straight label for a disciplined tomato product.
Exact grams protect tomato value.
Invisible hazards won't touch tomato sauce. Shelf-ready tomato sauce in seconds.
Ready to eat tomato sauce. Ready to ship.
Final checks protect the entire tomato story.
Steel integrity is non-negotiable for tomato products. One factory, 2 tomato finals. Seal integrity is non-negotiable for tomato products.
Every tomato batch has a digital trail. The factory hands off tomato products to the world.
Different tomato products, different logistics. From tomatoes to 2 daily essentials. Once sealed, the tomato batch is complete.
Bottled tomato juice. Clean, ready, consistent.
Rich tomato sauce, fast comfort.
Two tomato lines, one controlled process.
Everything began with a perfect tomato harvest.
People and precision power, modern tomato manufacturing.
Clean tomatoes. Split lines. Fill. Seal.
You can trace every tomato back to its source.
A full tomato cycle completed.
Tomorrow's tomato quality starts with cleaning.
Nothing left behind. Only readiness for tomatoes.